Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 Tune Cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this in my collection. It's a loose new Beetle Volkswagen with a racing stripes guys. This one guys is a CRT History Episode 2 from the set. But this one guys, I bought it as a loose one. Anyway guys, this is a CRT Cup car in 2001. And in the year 2000, Chorokyu returned to the circuit with the new Beetle Cup. This one guys, supported by Volkswagen Group Japan. With bright red, new Beetle entered with the support of Cox Corporation and it's number 99. Let's take a look guys. So this is a new Beetle with a race number 99 guys, and sponsored by Chorokyu, Volkswagen Group Japan, and Cox Corporation, also Japan guys. So with the big logo of Chorokyu on the top, and then Chorokyu Racing Team at the spoiler, and CRT History Episode 2 at the coin slot, CRT Beetle. Okay, so this one guys is a race car. So the CRT guys, I have this CRT set guys as a loose with a, I think that's a Golf GTI and a Formula 3. Then of course, I just got a new CRT History with Box Episode 2 also set. And this one guys. So this is the CRT History, The Legends of Chorokyu Racing, Episode 2 guys. That's the car guys. And that's the Chorokyu cars guys. And this one is a loose. So before this set guys, I have this as a loose. I already have this set on a loose, bought separately guys. And then this one, I already purchased this one recently. I think I already make a video of this CRT history on my previous. So just want to share this new Beetle to you guys. So in white wheels, white 5 spokes wheels guys, and on the bottom it says CRT new Beetle number 99. So in very good condition guys. Powerful pullback engine and in good detail guys. The 99 on the hood, it's already getting started fading guys. Anyway, this is a new Beetle, Volkswagen Beetle, Chorokyu release and standard size. I think this is a high grade because of the detail guys. Anyway, that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Bye.